Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to integrate Wooclap into Canvas to make your classes more interactive and engaging. Let's walk through the steps to create an activity using Wooclap and see how it works for both teachers and students. First, let's create a new assignment in our Canvas course. Click on Create an Assignment and name it Wooclap in Canvas, and change the number of points to 100. Now, in the submission type, choose External Tool and select Wooclap in the list of tools. Now, let's switch to Wooclap to add some questions to our event. You can see here the different question types available in Wooclap, including the AI feature, which allows you to quickly create interactive questions. First, I'll create a word cloud question. My question is, describe in one word how you feel today. Next, let's use the example gallery to add 3 more questions. I will choose a drag and drop exercise, place the organs in the correct locations, an image-based question, and a multiple choice question. Now that my questions are created, let's look at the authentication settings. When using a learning management system like Canvas, the default authentication settings is authentication through the LMS. This means participants will need to access the event directly through their Canvas interface. However, you can modify this setting based on your needs. As you can see here, if you change these settings, you will see some information about the impact of those changes. Next, we'll enable the attendance feature for this session. Attendance allows you to see who connected to the session, which can be very useful for monitoring participants' engagement through sessions. Now, let's see how this looks from a student's perspective. The student must first log in through the LMS and then validate the attendance sheet to access the activity. Now, I will answer 3 out of the 4 questions to demonstrate how it affects the participation score. Here you can see the student interface on the right side of the screen and the teacher's interface on the left. Let's go back to the teacher view. To update the student's attendance, click on Synchronize Attendance and select the Attendance option. By checking the Canvas Gradebook, we can see that the student's attendance is properly recorded as 100%. Now, let's go back to Wooclap and synchronize the participation. When we look again at the gradebook, we see that the participation score is 75%, reflecting the number of questions the student participated to, not related to the right or wrong answers. Finally, I'll synchronize the results. By checking the Canvas Gradebook one last time, we see that the student's final score is 85%, reflecting the correct and incorrect answers. And that's it! You now know how to integrate Wooclap into Canvas and track your students' participation in a simple and effective way.